Losing belly fat correctly is a challenge. If you are someone who has tirelessly worked towards achieving a toned, healthy body, you must have already realized by now how difficult it is to get rid of those stubborn belly fat. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 no-equipment exercises to lose your belly in just 3 weeks at home. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Walking. A very simple cardio exercise which helps you lose the belly fat and stay fit. Walking along with a balanced diet can do wonders if you are trying to shed off that extra kilos. A brisk walk for every 30 minutes in the fresh air can help reduce fat around the belly. In addition, it also has a positive effect on your metabolism and heart rate. Even running is beneficial for fat burning. All the more you do not need any equipment for this exercise. It also helps in shedding fat from other areas of the body. Number 2. Bicycle crunches. The most effective exercise to burn belly fat is crunches. Crunches rank top when we talk of fat burning exercises. To perform this exercise, lie on your back on the floor. Press your lower back into the floor and bend knees while keeping feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind head, interlacing fingers if preferred. Keep elbows wide and gently cradle your head in your hand. Bring your knees up with shins parallel to the floor as you lift shoulder blades off the floor. When you straighten left leg out at above 45-degree angle, turn your upper body to the right, bringing left elbow toward right knee. Return to center with both knees bent and elbows wide. Repeat on the other side. Straighten right leg to a 45-degree angle and turn your upper body to the left, bringing right elbow toward left knee. Return to the starting position to complete 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 15 to 25 reps, resting for 30 seconds to 1 minute after each set. Number 3. Plank. Plank exercise is one of the most effective full body workouts. The biggest advantage of plank's workout is it targets most of the major muscle groups in the body. To perform this exercise, kneel down and place your elbows on the mat. Then extend your right leg back, then left leg. Keep your neck, back and hips in the same line. Keep your core engaged. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. Do 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds hold. Number 4. Burpees. This exercise works your core as well as your chest, shoulders, triceps and quads. Since burpees involve explosive plyometric movement, they will get your heart pumping too. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and send your hips back as you lower your body toward the ground in a low squat. Then place your hands right outside your feet and hop your feet back, allowing your chest to touch the floor. Push your hands against the floor to lift your body up into a plank and then jump your feet just outside of your hands. With your weight on your heels, jump explosively into the air with your arms overhead. Perform this exercise 15 to 20 times daily. Number 5. Russian twists. Russian twist is an exercise for your side belly fat. They burn extra calories and fire up your metabolism. To perform this exercise, sit up tall on the floor with your knees bent and feet off the ground. Hold a medicine ball with your hands at chest height. Lean backward with a long, tall spine, holding your torso at a 45-degree angle and keeping your arms a few inches away from your chest. From here, turn your torso to the right, pause and squeeze your right oblique muscles. Then turn your torso to the left and pause to squeeze your left oblique muscles. The movement should come from your ribs and not from your arms. Count that as 1 repetition and daily aim for 20 in total. So here you have the 5 best no equipment exercises to lose your belly fat in just 3 weeks. And yes, there is another thing. For your convenience, we have created a new home workout special channel for keeping you fit. And we need your same love and support in this channel. So following the link in the description, please subscribe to our new channel and hit the notification bell. We promise you will get fit at home if you subscribe to our new channel. So why you are late? Will you start doing these exercises from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.